Audio is life, and if I do my job well, you won't even notice. My name's Tim. I'm a Foley artist for skateboarding, and this is my process. Yes, dude. Ouch, fuck. Ow, my nuts. I spend most of my time on the slams. Go, that hurt. Go, that hurt. It's really hard to get that physicality on location. That's where I come in. High five, dude. High five, dude. The sax can be a little challenging. Oh, god damn it. I take this personally. If I'm not putting myself in my art, am I even an artist? Fuck. I don't know if the emotions the skaters show when they land the tricks are real, but I know the sounds I make, very real.